Hi everybody, welcome to our life in the Philippines. So my mission here is kind of coming to an end, and I see myself going back to Philippines in a couple of weeks, and I'm really excited about being able to do so, maybe 3 weeks. When I'm done here in Orlando, I'm going to go and see my kids. I also have 4 grandkids in Tampa, which is 70-80 miles away from here. I'm going to try to meet up with them this weekend and spend some time, probably go to Universal and hang out for a day, for something similar to that. We haven't decided. We'll take the day as it comes. By the time I'm done there, I'm going to go and visit my other kids. I have 2 daughters and 1 son up in Virginia Beach, and I'm going to spend some time there. I also have 4 grandkids up there, so I want to hang out with them for a few days before I hit my mission back. But I did look at airline tickets in September towards the 10th or so. Actually, even the 2nd, I could find a really decent price for like $600 to go from here to Manila. So I'll probably grab one of those here as soon as I can, once I have decided. One of the things here that has happened, I think because of the economy here in the United States, we're looking to find a couple of people that can actually do the work. I'm going to show you some of the work that they would be doing. Basically, they're coming in, they're filming products, they're shooting products, editing clips, and prepare for the evening shows that we have. Every day we have a show going on. We actually broadcast some of it on YouTube, in fact, on a different channel, and I will put a little link to it up here. And if you click that little information button, you can see that, what's going on there. I guess the economy here in the United States, due to the fact that there is a low unemployment, there's a lot of requests for people. We have had several interviews, and strangely enough, they haven't responded back. So it looks like people coming out of the Full Sail University actually have, they have different goals in life. They're young kids. They're 20, 22, 24 years old, coming out of the university. Some are going into the film industry. I had a couple of guys here, really nice guys, and I would have loved to have a couple of them here working with us, but they got offers elsewhere, so it's been a little hard to find workers. But we'll try and see if we can't get that done. Anyway, so by the time I get to Virginia, it's time to hang out with family. I haven't seen them in a year, so I try to come back here once a year. Anyway, let me show you a little bit of how a little bit of the production goes, and I'll take you through the procedure of how they film the products. If you're watching this and you need a job and you're a good cameraman, you're invited to apply with us. Send us an email and come in for an interview. All right, so let's go and show you a little bit of the production. All right, so let's go into the production area. I will show you a little bit around here. This is kind of the area where we're staging up the products. Today I've been shooting some coins. I'll show you that here in a second. This is our full-blown switcher, and I actually decided I'm going to get one for the house for production, to develop the channel a little further. They're actually pretty good, completely software based. I'll put a little thing in the description here, so you guys have a way to see what the software is. I'm assuming that some of your bloggers might want to have a little production. It's kind of cool when you do your live shows and stuff and go live. You can actually sit there and add some graphics and add content to the feed, not just your own self. You know, when people talk, you can show places, you can do a lot of stuff. Basically, don't know if you can see it, but in this case, we're placing products up here on the timeline, and this is kind of what we're broadcasting right now. A lot of it is coin, jewelry show. You have the program output right there. You have the preview on the left. So it's a full, here's the audio board for it, and it's all software driven, so it's pretty cool, and it's not that expensive either. Yeah, so here is the little edit bay that I have here, and I have a similar setup at home. I wish I had this laptop at home. I don't know if you guys are familiar with it, but it's an Acer Predator 17, 64 gig of RAM, 6 cores I believe it is, super fast render, and render actually way faster than real time. I think about 25% of real time. So an hour show that we have built here a few times can be rendered out in about 15-20 minutes, which is really good, and that tells you a little bit about performance of the computer. All right, so let's open up edit I did this morning. This is it's like a preview show that goes out. That's going to go out for an auction. I've seen those faces. I've heard it basically displays products. It displays things you can that I have shot previously. Different jewelry, awesome jewelry, some of it. Pieces that are incredible, and that's one of the things they're doing there. They have a lot of high-end jewelry, beyond my price range actually, but it's pretty cool. It's been fun. It's been a fun couple of months to be here, but now it's time to head back home. So this is part of my job, to do some product shots and other things, and training people. We have had a hard time kind of trying to get people to work. I guess Trump's economy makes it hard to find workers. That could be one reason. They have a university here called Full Sail University, and Full Sail University is like a broadcast university where kids are learning this stuff. And we had a few interviews, but I guess they have different aspirations than a shopping network, some of them. A couple of them were interested, but they live in Daytona, which is you know, an hour away from here, hour and a half. So it's kind of hard for them to come in and do the work. So basically, these are Morgan coin sets. Let's see here. There we go. We're gonna put it right there. These are Morgan coin sets. MS-63. This one is from 1884, and they're all for sale. You can, if you're a coin collector, you can call us or call them. I'm about to leave here, not before long, but you can call them and get some good prices on coin, I would say. And you might wonder, why is he spinning the coin? We are shooting the coin front and back to give people an idea of how the coin looks, what the condition it is. And it's these are in pretty good conditions. They're called MS63, so that's a pretty good grade. Very little wear and tear on them. And here comes one more, and then we're going to set up for a set. We are also going to sell some of these like in sets. Here comes a 1886. There we go. Focus up. There we go. So this is part of what an employee here would do. Meanwhile, I'm wanting to go back to the Philippines, so we got to find some employees here real quick, because this is something they could do, and I can assist them from remote. So that's what I really want to do. All right, so let's put up another coin. This one is a 1 ouncer from 1924. I don't know what it is, but Liberty gold coin. There we go. That's like a gold coin, 1 ounce of gold. I saw the gold price was $1,500 yesterday, I think. $1,515. All right, so we're going to get that front and back, and then we make some clips with these, and then the host will come in and host. I edit the clips a little bit, and then the host will come in and host for the night, for the evening, try to make some sales, and it goes from there. All right, so that should be enough to stretch that one. And then I have, here's another one, First Strike. Also Liberty, 1 ounce, 2019, 1 ounce of silver. There you go. That looks pretty good. Beautiful coins. I've never been interested in collecting coins, but you know, it's these are not a piece of history yet, but they will be in 100 years. But the Morgans and Carson City Morgans, dollar coins, silver, they are for sure collectibles at this point. I've seen them go for as high as $700-800 for a dollar coin. So it depends on its rarity, I guess. That's how much I know about things. All right, the back side. Back side of this coin. There we go. All right, here we got something else. There you go, guys. Here's something else. It's heavy. Heavy, heavy, heavy. This is 1/100 troy ounce of pure 999 fine silver. Silver bar. Pretty nice little piece. I need to zoom out. It fills up the whole TV screen here. Let's see if we can't get it out a little bit. There you go. Pretty nice. The owner asked me to go to the car and pick up a a box in the car today, and I walked out there and he had 3-4 of these in a box, and I said, holy crap, this one is so heavy. So, all right, guys, that was a little bit about the production here, and I hope to be home soon to get back to the real blogging business, which is what most of you are waiting for. Some of you have been asking when you're going to go back. Haven't been able to give you answer to that, but now it looks like between 2 and 3 weeks or so I should be done here after I go and visit my kids. For now, guys, hit that subscribe button, and you will get updates from us. And when I'm getting back in the Philippines, we're going to start traveling a little bit. Take our little motorcycle. Was named Betsy, so we're going to take Betsy and travel around the Philippines a little bit, and we'll see what we will come up with. God bless. Thank you very much for watching. Again, hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you again in the next video.